Siyempre, wants to congratulate the whole cast and production team.
Yes.
Para kay?
Hindi siya, +1 ko lang siya.
Para kay? Siya para kay Christine. Para kay
Christine, yeah.
Oh my God, how do you feel? Sobrang well-received ang Domin Su.
Ano ba ang pangalan nila? Domin Su?
Domin Su! Ano sabi mo dun, Marco? Domin Su. Asarin mo ba?
Guys, wait, napawisan si Dom.
Ha? Domin Su, pinapawisan si...
Parang F4 ba yan?
F4. Pagdigyan mo yung mic kay ano. Oh! Kayo na ba? Hey, Dom! Dom, kayo na ba?
Sabi mo na si...
Actually,
sabi niya nagulat siya dahil siya...
Sorry mga kamay.
Wala akong masasabi.
uy, wait na, alam mo, Dom. Actually, isa sa pinaka-nagustuhan nila, kasi si Su pa lang yung talaga na-i-interview, di ba? Nandito yung sobrang straightforward yung nga daw sumagot dalawa. How do you feel about that?
Kasi, wala. Ayun.
Huwag ka tumingin sa akin.
Wala lang namin isa't isa.
Parang si Marco at Christine lang nung bago sila.
Siyempre, idol ako nito eh.
Hindi pa kasayin mo. Hindi pa kasana ka sa yes.
Yes, I'm excited.
So this Christmas kayo magkasama?
Yes, sana naman. With family.
And then later on kayo din. Oh, so ibig sabihin kayo na nga talaga. Hindi pa naman. Oh, but you're courting her, Manila.
Yes. Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you.
Merry Christmas! Grabe, dinigit yung mic.
At magkasama rin daw kayo. It's a fire hose.
Thank you.
Mama ko din dong.
Thank you. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Tana ko.
Marcel, game. Game. 1, 2, 3. Ako din daw. Ano mo yan?
I'm excited to watch everyone, especially Sue, for her movie and
Can you invite them to watch The Kingdom?
hello everyone, I'm inviting you guys to watch The Kingdom this December 25 and
Thank you.
thank you.
Dominique! Sama tayo sa imay.
a genre that hasn't been touched yet, and we're moving up in the industry. And I think Kingdom is a very big part of it, and I'm super excited to see where we're going in Philippine cinema.
Oh, wow.
Christmas plans, kasi Cebu lang po ako, kasama pamilya ko. And we're just gonna enjoy for this company, really pinamahalaga sa Pasko. Christmas wish? Maging masaya lang tayo sa 2025. Really
Siyempre,
pinamahalaga.
last na, pang-bago naman sa New Year's resolution ka ba? Wala
Now walking the red carpet, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Kyle and Shani.
Better myself all the time. Yun lang yung pinakamalaga.
That's after Camila Sagrado.
Camila Sagrado po, after po nun, I'm working on an album now.
Yeah!
Some music ulit. But besides that, siguro may mga movies po na pinitch po sa akin na I'm excited to work on.
Kasama si Andrea Medina.
Baka po.
Yeah! Oh, parang oo yun. Yes!
Wala naman po sa genre, pero ang pinakamahalaga po sa akin, may kwento po kami na tatama po sa mga tao. Na talagang didikit yung mga tao ng matutunan. And yun yung pinakamahalaga po sa akin sa cinema. And that's something I learned this year. Na even though we're all enjoying our work, ang pinakamahalaga is we're able to teach something to someone, whether it be sad, happy, galit. Kailangan ng mga tao na ngayon, lalo na galing tayo sa pandemic. And I realized the purpose of my work now. Something na masasabi ko sa trailer pa lang nahuk ako, Green Bones. Yeah, sobrang ganda ng Green Bones, ang ganda ng acting nila, ang ganda ng storya, and I'm excited to watch it. Not just that, syempre ang breadwinner ni Mimi Vice, kasi nabigyan na ng story ng mga Pilipino na talagang breadwinner, talagang natrabaho para sa mga pamilya nila. And it's a very hard genre to touch, fiction, and for us to elevate in cinema, I'm happy to see that we're doing something that not much people has done, especially here in the Philippines. And I'm excited to see what we have in store and where we're going with cinema.
The kingdom is like set in like a monarchy time. So
Yes.
if ever you're Dilakan or like a king, what rule or law are you going to implement in your kingdom?
Wow! Wow! Nakakagulat naman yung tanong na yan.
Anything.
Alam mo sa mundo natin ngayon, kailangan natin mag-connect sa isa't isa. I feel like the pandemic has distanced us from each other. And I feel like one of the most important things that we have to learn is that we all live on this earth together. And we can't not just live in this planet alone, but ang pinamahalaga, mahal natin isa't isa. Mag-spread tayo ng mamahal. I can't say it's a rule because mahirap naman din talaga yung sabihin. Pero para sa akin, we have to spread love, spread awareness that we're all on this earth for a reason. And yun siguro.
Ayun, Kyle, malapit ang Christmas. So what's on your Christmas wish list?
Christmas wish list? Hindi lang para sa sarili ko. Pero ito lang sinabi ko kanina. To spread love, because that's what His word is. God has put us on this earth for a reason. And that's to connect to each other, spread love, and do good.
Can you complete the sentence? All I want for Christmas is blank.
All I want for Christmas is happiness for this earth. You know.
And how are you with Angel? We watched Drag Race.
Angel! Tagal ko na siyang hindi nakita. I think since yung taping namin, no? Pero proud ako dahil sa ginawa niya para sa show. Sobrang nakaka-proud yung ginawa ni Angel. And I'm so happy to say na naging part ako ng journey niya sa Drag Race.
Angel is watching right now. What message do you have for her?
If Angel is watching, ang patuloy na yung ginagawa.
Fedici, Barley, and Flana.
Ay, ano po?
We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Miss Aramina.
Thank you. Thank you.
carpet is Miss Ai Ai de las Alas.